Hi there, empower your business with Jaiinfoway.
Offering a spectrum of tailor-made development services.
Our software consulting evaluates and ideates effective software solution designed just for your business.
Automate and boost your business efficiency with our custom CRM development.
Navigate today's competitive market with our robust customer software development.
Achieve enduring success with our transformative enterprise software development services.
Experience smooth transition with our hassle-free software integration services.
Enhance connectivity and sales with our sophisticated API development.
Why choose us? For unparalleled dedicated services.
Join hands with Jaiinfoway. Unlock unmatched growth and efficiency.
Connect with us now for your bespoke software solution.
Jaiinfoway, transforming your software dreams into reality. Visit our website or call us today. Thank you.